Bullish FTX token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $10.08 and $19.05 by 2030. Market experts accept FTT could reach $7.84 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.79. FTX token presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The planners of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subordinates, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto estimate trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Broiled, the administrator of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishant Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by brokers, for merchants, subsequent to laying out Lambda Exploration, a digital currency quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on complex exchanging component for complicated items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds cryptographic money. The liberal organizer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging expenses to noble cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for Powerful Charitableness. SBF is a notable player in the cryptographic money industry with more than 290 Kelvin devotees on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX environments is called FTX token, and it very well might be utilized as guarantee for Fate's positions, to get refunds on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses. And that's just the beginning. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and prospects exchanging are completely presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized examination. The effect of amount requested on changes in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination devices. It works under the assumption that, when joined with reasonable financial planning or managing rules, verifiable exchanging action and cost increments of safety can act as important indicators of future security costs. It can significantly improve the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is often used to produce transient exchanging signals utilizing different graphing apparatuses. Examiners can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Marks of digital currency in view of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary forms, utilizing the pivotal pointers recorded underneath. Anyone with any interest at all in specialized examination can look at the greatest cost, market cap, normal value, the most elevated esteem, FTX cost conjecture, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the header cost figure. FTX token current cost. FTX token is as of now worth $2.24 USD. FTT has moved 22.61% as of now with an exchanging volume of $110,725,458. FTX token is as of now position 208 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $725,163,431 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for FTX token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous FTX token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. FTX token value forecast 2023. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The FTT cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $3.36. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $3.14 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $2.69. FTX token value expectation 2024. In 2024, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $5.60. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the FTT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.48 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.93. FTX token value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $7.84 and FTT might benefit on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $7.17 and a low of $6.72 in 2025. FTX token value forecast 2026. On the off chance that FTX token effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2026. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $10.08, with a base cost of $8.96 and a typical cost of $9.41. FTX token value forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the FTT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $11.65 by 2027, with a base cost of $11.20 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, FTT has a most extreme value worth of $12.32. FTX token value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $13.89. On the off chance that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $14.56. Neglecting to accumulate the help FTT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $13.44. FTX token value forecast 2029. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $15.68 and a yearly cost close above $16.80 in 2029. FTX token value expectation 2030. By 2030, FTX token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $17.92 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $19.05, averaging out at $18.37. FTX token value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme FTT cost in 2031 is projected to be $21.96 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $21.06. And FTT tokens and other cryptos will keep on filling in prevalence, assuming digital currency trades continue to refresh their items to follow local and